Dear students, so welcome to today's class. So today we are going to finish our chapter number 3, that is linear equation in two variables, pair of linear equation in two variables, and exercise number 3.6. And this chapter deals with pair of linear equations reducible to linear equations. That means at the first time, if you observe them, they are not pair of linear equations, but after converting with some suitable method, it will be converted to some reduced form that is easily solved. So we can directly go to exercise. So exercise, first question, solve the following pair of linear equations. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. So number 1, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, and second one is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. If you observe this, so this is not ax plus by, it is standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. These are standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here it is x by 1, y by 1, x by 1, y by 1, that form. But here it is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by x, 1 by y. That is variables x and y are on denominator form, are on denominator side. So before solving, to solve such type of equations, we have to adopt some methodology or technique, or we can say technique. So for this, we will take some other variable. We take some dummy variable. Dummy means other than these two variables x and y. So for this, it is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by x, 1 by y form. So for this, we will assume, let us assume u is equal to 1 by x, and v is equal to 1 by y. We will assume u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So before this, you mark this as equation number 1, mark this is equation number 2. So as a result of this assumption, equation 1 becomes, that is in mathematical you can write, equation 1 implies 1 by x is u, so it is 1 by 2 u. This becomes 1 by 2 u plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y. 1 by y is v is equal to 2. Now simplify this. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so multiply both sides by 6. So this becomes 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. And number 2 becomes, equation number 2 becomes 1 by 3 u, 1 by x is u, plus 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by y. 1 by y is v is equal to 13 by 6. Now 3 and 2 LCM 6, so multiply both sides by 6. So this becomes 2u plus this becomes 3v is equal to 13. Now see, you mark this as equation number 3 and mark this as equation number 4. 3 and 4 becomes two linear equations, two pair of standard linear equations in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here x is u and y is v. 3u plus 2v is equal to 12 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. So this can be solved by any method. So we can write solving 3 and 4. If we solve 3 and 4 by any other method, any discussed method, substitution, elimination or cross multiplication method, you will get u is equal to something and v is equal to something. So I think you will get u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. So after solving equation 3 and 4 by any method, you will get u is equal to 2, v is equal to 3. You can verify u is equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9, 4 plus 9 13. So u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3 is the correct answer. But in the original equation, so variables are in x and y form, and we have assumed 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. These are dummy variables. So after this, u is equal to 1 by x and implies u is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by x. So implies x is equal to 1 by 2 and v is equal to 1 by y and v is equal to 3 is equal to 1 by y. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2 are the original solutions of this equation. So it is called the equations reducible to linear equation form method. So let us directly go to question number 2. It is 2 by root over x plus 3 by root over y is equal to 2. Mark this is equation number 1. Second, 4 by root over x minus 9 by root over y is equal to minus 1. It is equation number 2. Now you see it is 1 by root x, 1 by root y, 1 by root x, 1 by root y form. So let us assume let u is equal to 1 by root x and v is equal to 1 by root y. V is equal to 1 by root y. So as a result, 1 becomes 1 implies 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. It is equation number 3. And this becomes 2 implies 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. It is equation number 4. Now these two linear equations, pair of linear equations in variable root over x and root over y becomes two linear equations in dummy variable u and v, which are 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 and 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 2. So these are very familiar from u, v in linear form. So you can solve by any method, whether it may be substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, addition method, subtraction method, or anything. So you can solve this. So I will not solve in detail for this equation. So solving u is equal to and v is equal to, you will get u and v. You will get u is equal to half and v is equal to 1 by 3. You will get u is equal to half and v is equal to 1 by 3. You can check 2 into half 1, 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 2. It is 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So u is equal to 1 by 2 and v is equal to 1 by 3 are correct for these two linear equations 3 and 4. So now u is equal to 1 by root over x and u is equal to, we have just found 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root x. So implies if you square both sides 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by x. So as a result x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 and v is equal to 1 by root y and v is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by root y squared is 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by y. So y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 and x is equal to 4 are the original solutions for these two pair of linear equations. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. So like this, these two pair of linear equations reduce to our familiar linear pair of equations, and we will get the final answers in original variable x and y. Let us go to number 3. Number 3 is 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. It is number 1. And second, 3 by x plus minus 4y is equal to 23. It is number 2. So here y variables are in linear form, but only x variable are in reciprocal form. So here you have to take only one dummy variable. So let 1 by x is equal to u. 1 by x is equal to u. Then 1 becomes 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. It is number 3. And 2 implies 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Now these are two linear equations in variable u and y. So solving by any other previous method, you will get u is equal to something and y is equal to something, and you can get directly y. So here it will 5 you will get, and here it is minus 2. So implies u is equal to 1 by x is equal to 5. So implies x is equal to 1 by 5. It is the answer. If you solve this by any method, because it is 5 into 4 20 minus 6 14. It is 15 minus plus 8 23. So u is equal to 5, that is 1 by x is equal to 5, that is x is equal to 1 by 5, and y is equal to minus 2. It is enough. It is already get in the first step. So here only one dummy variable is used, that is y. Sorry, that is u only, for instead of 1 by x. So number 4, 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. It is number 1. And 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. It is number 2. These are two linear equations. So here variables are in the form 1 by x minus 1, 1 by y minus 2, 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. So for this let u is equal to 1 by x minus 1 and v is equal to 1 by y minus 2. So then 1 becomes, equation 1 reduces to 5u plus v is equal to 2. It is equation number 3. And 2 implies 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. It is equation number 4. Now these are two simple pair of linear equations in u and v. So you can solve by any method for these two variables. So solving, you will get u and you will get v. So after solving you will get u is equal to 1 by 3 and v is equal to 1 by 3. So implies u means 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1. It is 1 by 3. So if you simplify, x minus 1 is equal to 3. That is x is equal to 4. And here v is y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 5. So these are the solutions. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. These are the final solution. Let us go to number 5. It is 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. So you just break this 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. So it will cancel. So it is 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. So if you multiply by minus 1, 2 by x minus 7 by y is equal to minus 5. It is number 1. And second, 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. Implies if you break like this, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. X cancels, y cancel. So 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. More simplify, 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 15. It is number 2. So this equation can easily be solved if we take 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by x is equal to u, so it can be converted like 2u minus 7v is equal to minus 5 and 7u plus 8v is equal to 15. So it can be expressed like this. So you will get u, you will get v, where you have taken u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So like this you can solve this. So if you solve this, you will get u is equal to 1, v is equal to 1, that is x is equal to also 1 and y is equal to also 1. So you can get like this, u is equal to 1, v is equal to 1 by solving any method, by solving with the help of any method. So u is equal to 1, u means 1 by x is equal to 1, that is x is equal to 1, v is equal to 1, that means 1 by y is equal to 1, that is y is equal to 1, because here you will take u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. number 6, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. So here you just divide 6x by 6xy plus 3y divided by 6xy. It will be 1. X cancel, y cancel, and here 6x cancel, and 3 2 times. So it is 1 by y plus 1 by 2x is equal to 1. So this can be written as 1 by 2x plus 1 by y is equal to 1. It is equation number 1. This can be written as. And second equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. So divide both sides by 5xy. 2x divided by 5xy plus 4y divided by 5xy is equal to 1. X cancel, y cancel. So this implies 2 divided by 5y plus 4 divided by 5x is equal to 1. More simplify, this will 2, it is half. 2 by 5x plus 1 by 5y is equal to half. So these are two linear equations in 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by x, 1 by y. So after simplification, suppose u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. And this becomes half u plus v is equal to 1 and 2 by 5 u plus 1 by 5 v is equal to half. So these are two linear equations. This is u plus 2v is equal to 2, and this is 2u plus v is equal to 5 by 2. So here you will get u is equal to 1 and v is equal to half. That means if you solve this, you will get u is equal to 1 and v is equal to half. 1 2, 2 plus half, 5 by 2, 1 plus 1 2. So you will get x is equal to, x is 1 by u, that is 1, and y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 are the final answer. So rest 7 and 8 are same. I think 7 and 8 are same. 7 and 8 are same. So you can easily do. So let us do the literacy exam question, that is application based question. So let us go. There are 3 questions, literacy based question. I will form the pair of linear equations, formulate the statements, mathematical statements, and you will solve by any method. Number 2. 1. So here it is given Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. So still water speed is asked and speed of the current is also asked. So let Ritu speed in still water is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of current speed of current. Speed of current is y kilometer per hour. And speed of current is y kilometer per hour. So therefore, speed in downstream in downstream, so in downstream it will be more force. So in downstream it will be in a very rapid force, so it will be more. So here it will be plus, it will be x plus y kilometer per hour. So speed in upstream means against, so it will travel against the force, so it will be less as compared to still water, so it will be less, so it will be minus, so it will be x minus y kilometer per hour. So it is important. So in downstream it is more, so it is plus, so in upstream it is less, so it is minus. So in the question it is asked downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours. So according question, so in downstream speed is x plus y kilometer per hour, that means x plus y kilometer is covered in 1 hour, that is 1 kilometer is covered in 1 by x plus y. So here how many kilometer is covered? 20 kilometer. So 20 divided by x plus y, so it is covered in 2 hours, so it is equal to 2. So it is equation number 1, because in downstream speed is x plus y kilometer per hour, that is x plus y kilometer is covered in 1 hour, that is 1 kilometer is covered in 1 by x plus y. So 20 kilometer will be covered in 20 into 1 by x plus y, that is 20 by x plus y, and according to question it is covered in 2 hours, so it is equal to 22. So it will be x plus y is equal to 10. It is equation number suppose 1. And secondly, and upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. So in upstream it is speed is x minus y kilometer per hour, that is x minus y kilometer is covered in 1 hour. So 1 kilometer will be covered in 1 by x minus y. So how many kilometer? 4 kilometer. So 4 kilometer covered will be 4 into 1 by x minus y. 4 into 1 by x minus y, that is 4 by x minus y. So it is covered, this 4 kilometer is covered in 2 hours. It is again 2. So according to question it is second. So if you simplify, x minus y is equal to 2. So it is equation number 2. So these are simple linear equations, pair of two linear equations in two variables. So if you solve this, solving x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4, you will get like this: 6 plus 4 10, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So reduced speed in still water will be 6 km per hour, and speed of current in still water, speed of current will be 4 km per hour. So like this we can solve this equation by any method, but we have to form these two equations first. These are important. Number 2, it is given 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So let the first you read this question and here it is asked find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work. So alone, this required information will be put in variable form. Let one woman alone can do in X this, and one man alone can do in Y this. So let one woman alone can do in X days. So X days she can do one work. So 1 day's work will be 1 by X. So here 2 women, so 2 into 1 by X, and plus 5 men plus 5 into, so 1 man alone can do in Y days. So Y days is he can do one work. So in 1 day it is part of work is 1 by Y. So there are 5 men, so 5 into 1 by Y. So 2 into 1 by X plus 5 into 1 by Y, 1 day's work. 2 men's 1 day work plus 5 days 1 man work, 2 days 1 women work plus 5 days 1 man work can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. It is 4 days. So in 4 days they can finish. In 4 days they can finish. So it is 1 day's work. So in 4 days they can finish. So in 1 days their work will be 1 by 4. So this is first equation, 2 by X plus 5 by Y is equal to 1 by 4. And second condition, 1 woman alone, 3 women, so it will be 3 by X plus 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So in 3 days they can finish the work. So in 1 day's work it will be 1/3. So it is simple, it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. So like previous equations, this can be converted as 2u plus 5v is equal to 1 by 4, and this is 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 by 3. It is number 3, it is number 4. So here we have taken u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So you will get solving u is equal to 1 by 18 and v is equal to 1 by 36. That is x will be 18 and v is equal to 36. So one woman can alone then work in 18 days and one man alone can do in 36 days. So here 1 by x is 1 by u, 1 by x is 1 by u, and 1 by y is v. It is taken. So let us go to the last question of this exercise. So Rusi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So you have to ask to find the speed of the train and bus. So let number 3, let speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of bus y kilometer per hour. Y kilometer per hour. Now according to question, 300 kilometer, so there is a 300 kilometer, so it is 300 kilometer. So partly by for 60 kilometer by train, it is 60 kilometer train, so it is 240 by bus. If she travels 60 kilometer by train, so speed is x kilometer per hour. So for x kilometer it is 1 hour. So for 1 kilometer it is 1 by x hour. So for 60 kilometer it is 60 into 1 by x plus remaining 240. So 240 into the previous one. So for bus, y kilometer covered in 1 hour. So 1 kilometer will be covered in 1 by y. So 240 kilometer will be covered in 240 into 1 by y. So this total time is, she takes 4 hours. So it is 4. So in this case 60 plus 40 kilometer in speed x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour, this time taken is 4. So divide 4, 15 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 1. It is suppose number 1. Secondly, if he 100 kilometer by train, that is this becomes 100 by x plus remaining will be 200. So 200 by y. She takes 10 minutes longer. So it is already 4 plus 10 minutes, 10 by 60. So it is 625. 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 25 by 6. So in this case, so you will take u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So this becomes 15u plus 60v is equal to 1. It is number 3, and this becomes 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 by 6. Now you will solve these two equations. So you will get u is equal to something and v is equal to something. So I think you will get u is equal to 1 by 60 and v is equal to 1 by 18. So v is equal to 80, 1 by 80, that is x is equal to 60 and v is equal y is equal to 80. So x, that is speed of the train, will be 60 km per hour, and y, that is speed of the bus, will be 80 km per hour. So okay, so by this we have stopped this chapter. Thank you.